this you will write. Now point next, seamless data access. Seamless data access meaning is the data yani your file. Seamless meaning is at the same time you can access your file from different location, yani the file is available in the cloud and you can access that file from different locations. Okay, that is known as seamless data access. Now read this. User expect much of the data to be accessible from anywhere at any time, yani you can access the data from anywhere and at any time. Typically this is accomplished by storing the data in the cloud, yani this how you can do, you can store your data in the cloud. Cloud yani as Dropbox, Google Drive, iCloud, SkyDrive, all files are stored. They can be accessed from any device and on any network. The program to access the data often reside in cloud too. Okay, so meaning is here, अव्वल you will store the file in the cloud. Cloud yani Dropbox, Google Drive, this. After that you can access the file from any location, from any network. Also, आखिर point, you can read, you can change the file yani as word file, spreadsheet, ppt file on you mumkin or your mobile, mumkin on your laptop. Okay, so in seamless data access what you will write, you will write like you will access your malaf from any location. Okay, so how you will do like this, how you will do this, you will store this in the cloud. Cloud yani Google Drive, Dropbox, this. And after that what you will do, you will access this file from any location and from any network. And also you can change the file, you can read the file yani as ppt word file from your mobile and from your pc. Next, battery power computer. Battery yani मालूम battery, power yani power computer. So in the computer, if you want high bandwidth, if you want multi-processing, if you want high quality, if you want high quality video, then battery ज़्यादा वल्ला कम? Yes, Khalid, ज़्यादा वल्ला कम? Okay, so if you want to do this, then you require more battery. Okay, so for this you require high battery. So there lazim a balance between the keep cool, heat power consumption and some of the most important challenge. Meaning is you have to design an operating system in that you have to keep in mind the option for power. Let's say power server in your laptop, like if you are not working on your laptop, then your system automatic gaffal, automatic switch off. Okay, also operating system for mobile different, operating system for laptop different. Why? Because they have the feature to consume less energy. Okay, so the challenge is, like if you want to design an operating system, the main challenge is for the power consumption, like how the operating system will consume the power. Okay, so if this topic you will write first, if you want high bandwidth, high network, high bandwidth, multi-process and high quality audio video, then you need more power. So for this you have to design operating system. In that operating system there is a big challenge to control power consumption and to keep the system cool. This is the big challenge. Okay, this point, it is likely that operating system for battery power and wireless will be appreciably different. This already I talked you, like mobile phone, laptop, operating system different. Next, embedded system. Embedded system very easy. Embedded system यानी है, embedded system यानी what? Embedded system, embedded system यानी small operating system which is designed for a specific purpose. Specific purpose यानी है like in your room fridge यानी तल्लाजा, in that small embedded system available. In your car the music player, it is also a embedded system. In your room mukaf, in mukaf also a small operating system. Okay, so the explanation is the operating system inside washing machine, microwave oven, mp3 player, elevators, malum elevators in the mall, elevators, and pacemakers. Pacemakers yani it is a device for medical treatment like kidney, like purifying of the blood, purifying. Okay, so this is pacemaker. Will differ from all the above, most likely for each other. Each one will be probably be careful tailored for specific, yani this each machine has its own requirement. So what you will do here, we have different embedded system, and for each embedded system we have different operating system. Okay, ideally for embedded system it is extendable operating system that can be lightweight, yani all this operating system lazim lightweight or heavyweight as the application demands. Okay, so how you will write? You will write embedded system yani the operating system which is मौजूद in washing machine, microwave oven, mp3 player, camcorders, elevators and pacemakers. Okay, and you will write these are the operating system, mumkin lightweight, mumkin heavyweight, depend upon the demand of the application. Also these all operating system have their specific function as compared to the hardware. Okay, so this is the embedded system. Okay, Aliyom class finish.